Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essential items ready and starting the connection process now. First, charge the watch to at least 50% and enable Bluetooth on your phone so pairing won't interrupt. Next, install the SyncUp app, sign in, and grant location and notification permissions because the app needs them to sync reliably. Once done, keep the watch within 1 to 3 meters of your phone and leave both screens awake. This avoids timeouts and speeds up the first handshake. You now move into pairing and configuring core features. Open the app, select Add Device, then choose SyncUp Watch and either scan the QR on the watch or enter the pairing code shown. This creates a secure link. If a firmware update appears, accept it because updates fix bugs and improve battery. Make sure not to power off mid-update. Once paired, go into Settings to set notifications, choose a watch face, and pick an auto-sync interval that balances timeliness versus battery use. You finish setup and verify everything works. This is the last step before regular use. Check that time, step counts, and recent notifications appear in the app, and force a sync if data is missing so the devices exchange state. If problems persist, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth. This clears transient faults. If you still see issues, back up any data and perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Then contact support and send the app log so they can diagnose the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.